But one of the problems with the process of creating things is, in fact, perhaps the chief problem, is understanding who your customer is. And what really impressed me about Howie was his ability to create a sort of a sequence of events whereby you are able to understand your customer better by talking to other people who have the same problem. And I've seen many, many people around the world try to teach people how to sell things. But it really starts with your customer. And what Howie does is he enables you to do this supremely well in a way which is almost childishly simple, but hugely effective. You should give him a shot.